Hi everyone, Luke from Performance Painting. I know it's been a while and for that I apologise, but we have been absolutely flat strapped with a number of projects on the go. This one I managed to spend a lot of time on personally, so I got a lot of footage for it. It's a weatherboard restoration in Battery Point. Another one, we've had a few jobs around this area and it's a great area to work in. It was a big job. It's a weatherboard, of course, for this one. A bit of stripping involved with it as well. A couple of dormers on the front. We've done the roof, which is the last roof of this season because it's going to get a bit cold as of Monday, apparently 11 degrees and snow. So let's get into it. A couple of dormers on the front, a lot of balustrading and lace work. The owner actually done a lot of the building himself through the years. They've been there for over 50 years in this home, so we took very special care of it for them. Bill and Shirley were great hosts for this one. Bit of stripping involved, which is they always are, these old ones. The colour scheme was like a dark shade of the trim with a lighter board, so we sort of reversed it. Went with a darker shade on the boards and a lighter shade of white basically on the trim. Not traditional, but more contemporary for this one. And we didn't want to go too modern because it doesn't suit the area or the home. But it's come up really, really nice. So take a look and enjoy it, and I promise it won't be this long next time. So enjoy. Bye for now.
Everything and everything but you, oh, but you, oh, but you, oh, but you. I took a left and stole a right, counted my steps on that dark night. I knew you must be somewhere near. You had said you'd meet me here. Maybe you had lost your way in the shadows, blue and gray. Everything was clear and true. Everything and everything but you, but you, but you, but you. What could I do? I still had faith. I saw my clock's disheveled face, but hours passed and still no sign. Days and nights and summer times. I am old but have no fear. You said you would meet me here.